it's me again, and today I have a surprise for you. Ta-da! It's called Fix. I know you've heard of it, which is probably this one is the pets, and this one is the kawaii kitty. They're so ugly but their face, and when you put the magical mask, they will turn into cutie like this. I buy it at Toyrus, and here it says Fix. Be my style savior. And here it says has a chat. And first step, you put magic mask, and number 2, brush and style, and number 3, you put the accessory. Now let's open it. Whoa! I hope I can be her style savior, guys, because I know I look a little bit stylish. Okay, let's open the plastics. Whoa! And look, back here, there's accessories. Ta-da! Ooh, there's an accessory, a brush, and also a checklist for us to see. It says taken after photo. Okay, now let's take our doll. Let me show you guys the mask. It's so cute. It's like bubbly, and also like cotton. So you put on it. So pretty. Can it fit on me? So cute. Now let's try to take our doll. She's so cute. She's a kitty. But she looks kind of angry and wiggly. I know. You'll get fixed at soon. Okay, so now let's cut this one first using my scissors. First, ask an adult to help, or maybe you can do it by yourself. Whoa, it's opened up. It's all inside of it. Let's see the accessory. It's so cute. It's a tiny, cute little scarf. It's for a kitty. And look, it even has a bow on it. So cute. It even fits on my kitty. Ooh, look, there's a comb brush. The sides one is a bigger, and the side one is a tinier. And it has an F on the sides. It means fill and fix. F and an F. Yeah, you already know that, right? Okay, so first step. We're going to put this in the trash already. So here we have our cat, which is probably so cute. Now we attach to her face this. Wait, you need to put it on. Oh, like that. Ta-da! She has her mask on. Isn't it so cute? She's like having a bubbly. Now we need to comb her hair. Which one should we use? The tiny one or the big one? I'm guessing we should use the big one because her hair is kind of messy. So better start brushing. Brush. Actually, this takes time. So yeah, let's just brush. Keep brushing. Okay, so when we brush, I'm going to talk a lot about Fix. You know, you can actually style them a lot. And if you want to play again and again, you can just put back the mask on her and just play over and over again. Isn't it so fun? And if you have some tiny item accessories, like from the Toys mini brands, do you know that? Yeah, there's like one of those tiny brands that's for dolls, so you can use that for your Fix dolls. It's so cute. Can't take it anymore. Keep brushing her bubbly hair. It's colored purple or pink. Guess it right now. Is it purple or is it pink? Before I'm brushing her hair. Ooh, she even has a ponytail. I think it's getting over. So let's open her mask off. Open it off. Whoa! We have her pretty face! Look at her! She's a cute kitty! She looks stylish now for her so cute. Now let's give her this. Her accessories. Isn't it so cute? But again, there's a lot. There's a puppy, there's a dog, and there's a pony.